I became chief right around 10 years ago, and I thought it was very important for us to be able to connect with our community, reach out so they can reach out and touch us, know who we are, and we know who they are. And we started having these family events around 9-10 years ago, and every year it gets bigger and bigger. The part I love about it, it's almost all families and kids. Our police officers are out here to serve, help, protect. We're the good guys, and that's what this event does. It lets our residents know and the kids know that we're here to support them and do everything we can to help them.
Hey, my name is Isaac Tola, owner of Car Aid Auto Group. This is our second year doing this event with the Shelby Township Police Department. We service all their vehicles for about 5 years now. And it was very important to us to have a collaboration between us and the police department, and also to give back to the community.
Our sponsors, like Isaac and Car Aid, what they do for us, I mean, Isaac's got his whole family out here, his mom and dad, cousins, his brother is here. That's the kind of support and the relationships we've built that we love and the most important to us.
I would say my favorite part is having my family and friends here, having a lot of the police officers bring their kids here, and just the community in general. To see all these kids happy, I couldn't be happier. I think that's my favorite part.
We have 62 vehicles right now that Isaac takes care of with Car Aid. I've never heard one complaint. I'll put our vehicles up against any vehicle around because of the service we get from Isaac.
So part of what we do different is we're a full transparency shop. So from our PO system, the way you receive your estimates, pictures, videos, we want to educate our consumer. And that's something that we do with the police department as well as a fleet account.
And Isaac gets it done for us no matter what the problem is, whether it be brakes or struts or shocks or new tires. Isaac handles it for us, and we appreciate that and respect him greatly.
There's nothing that we can do as a company. We want to make sure that we take the stress of the repair from the consumer, and we want to be able to take care of it, key to key. We want to make sure all the process is geared for a better experience for our customers.
I take my personal vehicle to Isaac all the time, and I know several officers do. And let me tell you why we do it, because we know we're going to get great service, and Isaac's going to be fair with us on the price. And I have 110 employees in here, and know several of us bring our stuff over to Isaac.
Hi, my name's Danny Brown. I'm the district manager of Cleanview Auto Wash. Today we were invited by our partners, the Shelby Township Police. We've been proudly working with them for about 5 years now.
We trust Cleanview to take care of all of our vehicles. They do an incredible job for us. We're up there every single day running our police cars through. Obviously very sensitive information. Our vehicles have weapons in them, computers and everything. Because of our personal relationship with Danny and Frank, we have an incredible relationship and we trust them like their own family.
Cleanview Auto Wash is a high-end express car wash. We have several locations in this area. We have one off Shaner and Hall Road that has indoor vacuuming. We have one off 23 Mile near Shaner as well in Shelby Township. What's great is we have very long hours. We're open 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So always time to get your car washed. We'd love for you to come by and check us out.
I love our community. I love the support they give to Shelby Township. But what I also love is my staff out here, all volunteering, working hard.
We're always happy to contribute to this, considering how much the police department do for us.
This is our second year doing it, and it's getting bigger and bigger. We had about 1,100 people show up today, and it's something that we're proud of, and we're hoping that next year we bring more people here to at least allow people to know how a community can work together and how businesses can work together and thrive together.